Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a purchase in the Tinder application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the application, you can just simply go to your profile section, and after that you can look in the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on it and here you can just scroll down. And here you can find the payment account section, and there you should press on the third option, which is restore purchase. And here you can just enter the confirmation number, and after that you can just press on submit down below, and after that you will be able to restore your purchase basically. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.